bottle. Calming bottle is a recycled plastic water bottle filled with glitter, glue, and any object that has a falling motion. Calming bottles are easily accessible, they're inexpensive to make, and it's an easy activity to have in the classroom that's quiet and can calm a child down. The best time to use a calming bottle is early signs of a student being agitated, frustrated, or overstimulated. So what you want to do is have the student pick out a bottle that they want to use, locate a place within the classroom that is quiet and less distractions, and then allow them to do a few activities with the calming bottle to help their heart rate go down and help them to calm and be relaxed. This process might be done with the teacher for the first few times, but then after that, the student should be able to ask for the calming bottle when they feel emotionally dysregulated. So a couple activities that you can do with the calming bottle is some breathing exercises. So what you'll do is you're gonna flip the bottle over and then just kind of inhale slowly until everything just kind of settles and becomes calm. And then you're gonna flip it back over and exhale slowly until, again, everything settles down within the bottle. So this is just a good way to focus and concentrate on your breathing, allow your heart rate to come down, and then also just kind of bringing your eyes to the midline, to the center, to focus on all the objects and the glitter, and that just kind of helps develop a calming effect. Another activity that you can do with the calming bottle is count the objects that are inside. So you can count what you see. You can also categorize, put things in groups. So like you can count all of the purple objects. You can count all the dinosaurs. You can count all of the fish, whatever is in the bottle. You can categorize that way. Again, this is working on visual motor skills. This kind of helps with focusing, direct attention on the object, and kind of distract yourself from all the emotions that you were feeling earlier. So after the student is finished with their bottle, you want to make sure that you are communicating what the expectations are for them to do next. Maybe setting a time limit or having them ask during appropriate times. And then the last thing you want to do is just wipe down the sensory bottle with a disinfectant wipe, and then it's ready to be used for the next student. Thank you.